In primetime news tonight, back together again.
Feeling the best feeling ever. Never feel so in my life before.
5 years and counting. Couple still hoping to find a missing child after she was snatched. Police attrition hurting crime-fighting efforts in Clarendon. And breakthrough in search for missing Kingston taximan.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening we have the top business stories, and Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman.
Thanks, Janella. Well, 10 applications for special economic zones have been approved. Kingston Wharves Limited is not one of them, and they are demanding answers. I'll have the details in the Financial Week.
And from business we go to sports. Jordan, apparently the big story today about cricket.
Yeah, cricket. The West Indies' third test against England bowls off tomorrow. Now, the Windies captain Jason Holder will not be involved. He's serving a one-match ban for a slow over rate, but he has promised to motivate the team from the dressing room. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, describe how you felt when you learned that a baby boy stolen from Victoria Jubilee Hospital had been returned to his parents.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.